What's happening, traders? FX Killers here, guys. Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video here on the FX Killers YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be teaching you exactly how to determine your strong levels of support and resistance using a 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, as well as a 5-minute time frame to get those sniper entries that you see me getting on Instagram, TikTok, on my VIP signal group, in my mentorship group. But now, teaching it to you for 100% free here on the YouTube channel, guys. So, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. You can see over here, like and subscribe on the road to 5,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for that, of course. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. Let's go. Okay, perfect. So this is exactly how we're going to be determining our level of support and our level of resistance on our chart. The first thing is going to be go over to your 30-minute time. You can see over here, this is on gold. I'm on the 30-minute time frame. And the one thing that you have to do, which is very, very important, is scroll all the way down onto your trading view, and you'll see at the bottom over here in the middle of your screen there's a bit of a reset button, right? The first thing you do is click on the reset on your chart view, and this is going to show you the most recent price action, right? The most recent highs and the most recent lows. So you can see over here, this is your most recent high over here, and this is your most recent low when you reset your chart view. And so the first thing is you're going to take a line and you're going to put your line at the high point and take another line and put the line at your low point. Now that you have these two lines, I like to think of this as our house, right? So every house, of course, has a roof. Every house, of course, has a floor. You can see over here, we just constructed right now our roof. So I'll type this in over here. So we just made our roof right now. And we also just made our floor right now as well, right? Now that you have your roof and your floor or your house constructed, otherwise known as your resistance and your support, right? Resistance being your roof and your support being your floor. You now, of course, can't have a house without rooms, right? Who wants to have a house with a roof and a floor? No one, right? You, of course, want to have a house where you have lots of rooms, you have your bathroom, your kitchen, your this, your that. So we're going to now start off by going to our lowest point where our floor starts, right? You're going to take your finger or your mouse in this instant and you're going to trace from there, and you're going to follow the candles as they go up and as they come down, right? So you're going to start off here at the bottom, you're going to follow it going up, up, up. You see it hit this high point and then came down back to the floor, went back up to the same point again, hit this, came back down, and then went up again and then broke out, right? So you can see that something happened over here at this point here because the market reached this high point twice and then rejected and came down from there. So all I'll do is I'll take my line and I'll go and I'll place it at the body of those candles, making this here now another level of either support or resistance, right? You then continue doing this here where you follow the market, follow the candles, follow. You see it broke through this roof over here. Follow. You see it hit over here. Keep this in mind. It hit over here and then came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, went up. So you can see something is happening at both of these areas over here. The top area over there and the bottom area over there as well. So when we see this happening, what do? We go ahead and take a line. You put it over here at the area where the market is bouncing the most. You can see it bounced over here down, bounced down, bounced down. At the bottom as well, you can see at this point over here, it bounced up from there, bounced up from there, bounced up and bounced up, right? You can see now how you go and you constructing your levels as you go along with the market. Again, you're going to follow along, follow. It broke through this level over here, went up, hit this point, came down, went up to the big roof, hit down, big roof, hit down, went again here, plane, hit the big roof and went all the way down, right? You can see again, something interesting happened over here at the bottom, right? You can see over there that the price was kind of held up or supported at this area over here, bounced up, and then went down, right? Keep on following. You see the price came, and look at this, how beautiful it is, right? We drew this level over here from this price action where the market was rejecting over here, and you can see now in the more recent price action, the exact same level is being tested. and it's been not only tested, but also respected. How beautiful isn't that? Right? Then you can see it came over here, bounced up, again came to the same area over here, bounced down, played around, played around, played around, went down to this low point, bounced up to the same level we drew over here. And with this level over here, you can see now the current price action at the current moment in time, now on the 19th of June, at about 4:30, came this area, rejected, came to the area again, rejected. But we drew this line from this previous price action that happened on the 12th of June. So you can see we use the previous price action to determine what is going to be happening with the future price action. Then you can see we now follow. The market came to this low over here, bounced up. So you can see something happened over here as well, right? Something happened over there, so keep that in mind. Then follow along. It hit the same level, came down, hit the same level, came down. So the line is perfect there, right? And just like that, you now have constructed all of your rooms in your house. You have your big roof, you have your big floor, you have your room, another room over there as well, right? This is exactly how you draw in your support and your resistance on your chart. And look at that. It really took me just over 5 minutes to explain exactly how to draw it. Just that simple. And I've been applying this here for the last 6 years of being a full-time trader. And it's been working so well because this is the easiest way to trade. Nothing too overcomplicated, nothing of fair value gaps or this or that. Not to say that it does not work. Just for me personally, this year, the easy stuff works the best, right? There's no need to go and overcomplicate it and draw in 500 lines on your chart and have this fair value gap and have this inverse fair value gap and have this order block and this and that. Me personally, I just like it to be simple, straightforward, level of support, level of resistance. Throw in your rooms in your house, and based off of that, you see where the price is going to be moving. Just that simple, right? Then one thing to note, guys, is going to be the following, right? If you see that as you're following your price action and there's a reaction in the price in the opposite direction, very close to a level, right? I would not suggest throwing another additional level over here because you can see it's a bit too close, right? You want to have a bit of a nice range. Now, this is a very small range to have two levels. Like you don't want your rooms to be very close to each other, right? Who would ever want to live in a house that's very like compact and the rooms are on top of each other and it's so close together? No one, right? You want your house to be nicely spread out where you have your bedroom over there, your kitchen over there, your bathroom over there, some nice big spaces, right? So if you see that the levels are very close to each other, just try and take out a few levels and only keep the levels that are the strongest. And the way to determine how the level is the strongest is by how many times the market has gone to the level, tested it, and also respected that level, and then gone in the opposite direction. You can see over here, this level over here got retested or tested once and twice, and it got respected as well. So you can now see that this level over here is a strong level because it got rejected. When it came here again, rejected again. So yeah, this is exactly how we draw in our levels of support and our levels of resistance. Very simple. And before we end off, one more thing to note is that whenever a level of support gets broken through, that level becomes a level of resistance. And whenever a level of resistance gets broken through, that level becomes a level of support. A clear example is something over here, right? At this price over here, this level was a level of resistance. The market was resisted to go higher than this. You can see it push down. Once the market broke above this level of resistance, this resistance now became a level of support, right? And you'll see when the market came back to this level later on, it got treated as a level of support and it bounced up from this level. Same thing with the level of support, right? When the market breaks below a level of support, that level becomes a level of resistance. You can see over here, this was a level of support over here. See support in the price, supported up. It then got broken through. And when it came back to the level of support that was broken through, it now became a level of resistance. And now it's resisting, and rejecting. And then finally it broke out and went back to the upside. So yeah, that's exactly how you draw in your level of support and level of resistance. I hope you guys learned something from this here. And I'll be making many more videos like this here, teaching you that for completely free, how to analyze the charts, how to use the strategies, every single thing, guys. The previous video was the video of the 1 AM strategy. This video is now how to throw in support and resistance. The next few videos will be how to use the breakout strategy, the breakout and retest strategy, the zone to zone strategy, and a lot more to come then. So yeah, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe. This has been FX Killers, your mentor. I am signing out, and I hope you guys learned something and enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Boom.